Welcome to our exploration of the best AI tools for automating those tedious, repetitive tasks that often bog down our productivity. Imagine a world where mundane activities are handled seamlessly, freeing up your time for more meaningful work. Today, we'll guide you through top AI solutions that can revolutionize how you work. Let's start by addressing the challenge most of us face: repetitive tasks. These are often time-consuming, reduce our efficiency, and can even lead to burnout. But fear not, because AI is here to transform the way we approach these tasks. First up, let's talk about Toolname 1. This AI tool excels in automating data entry, a task notorious for being both tedious and prone to human error. With its intuitive interface and powerful algorithms, Toolname 1 can accurately input data faster than any human, ensuring you save both time and energy. Next, we have Toolname 2, perfect for streamlining your email management. By categorizing, prioritizing, and even drafting responses, this tool ensures your inbox never overwhelms you again. It's like having a personal assistant working around the clock. Moving on, we can't overlook Toolname 3, an AI powerhouse for automating customer support. With its sophisticated chatbots, it can handle queries, provide instant responses, and learn from interactions to improve over time. For those dealing with scheduling headaches, Toolname 4 is a game changer. It automatically coordinates meetings, considers time zones, and sends reminders, ensuring you never miss an important appointment. Lastly, consider Toolname 5 for project management automation. From tracking progress to assigning tasks and setting deadlines, it keeps your projects on track and your team aligned. In summary, AI tools are no longer just an option, but a necessity for enhancing productivity in today's fast-paced world. By automating repetitive tasks, these tools not only save time, but also empower you to focus on what truly matters: strategic, creative, and impactful work. Thank you for joining us in this journey.